Command 0, 9. Command 0, ARPEGGIO, controller value. This command changes the pitch of the note quickly once every timing pulse. It can be used to create chords or special effects. If you've listened to music made with a Commodore 64, you must have heard arpeggios. The pitch is changed between 3 different pitches during one note. Pitch 1, the original note. Pitch 2, pitch 1 plus the first data byte digit * up. Pitch 3, pitch 1 plus the second data byte digit * up note. Pitch 3 is played first, then pitch 2, pitch 1, pitch 3, pitch 2, etc. The number of pitches for each note depends on the secondary tempo. For example, to create a C major arpeggio, pitch 1, C, 2, for example. Pitch 2, E, 2 equals 4 * higher than C, 2. Pitch 3, G, 2 equals 7 * higher than C, 2. This produces C, 210047, 00047, 00047, and so on. Note that the data byte with a blank note continues the arpeggio. The data byte for a minor chord would be 37. Arpeggios sound better with some instruments than others. Note that this works differently with MIDI, CMIDI commands. Command 1, SLIDEUP, MIDI, pitch of interrupt. This command slides up the pitch of the current track. It actually works by decreasing the period of the note, the amount of the data byte every timing pulse. Sounds rather technical? Yes. But a detailed description is not really necessary since slides can be made automatically. See Edit menu /pitch slide /type 2. If you use this function for special effects, experimentation is the key. For example, A110000, 00000, 0010F slide up a bit. Command 2, SLIDEDOWN, MIDI, pitch of enter down, same as Command 1, except slides down. Command 3, PORTAMENTO, MIDI, set pitch of enter, another slide command with which you can create perfect slides more easily than with Commands 1 and 2. The difference is that Commands 1 and 2 replay the note they slide to. Command 3 doesn't replay the note. The data byte is the slide speed. An example is the easiest way to explain this. C, 250000 note C is played. 00000. E, 250305 this note isn't played. Instead, the slide target is set 00300 to E, 2 with a slide speed of 5, 00300. When the speed is 0, the previous speed is used. 00306 the speed may be changed during a slide. This example would slide from C, 2 to E, 2, but the slide stops exactly when a pitch of E, 2 is attained. With Commands 1 and 2 you can slide beyond the note. Again, slides can be created automatically in Edit /pitch slide /type 1. Command 4, VIBRATO, MIDI, modulation wheel rapidly increases and decreases the note's pitch. The first digit of the data byte is the vibrato speed, the second is the vibrato depth. If either digit is 0, the previous speed and / or depth is used. The higher the digit's value, the greater the speed / depth. Remember that the digits are in hexadecimal. Value 0, 9 and F can be used, giving a total of 16 possible values for each digit. Command 5, SLIDEANDFADE, MIDI, controller number. This command combines Commands 300 and DXX. The slide speed is the previous speed entered with Command 3, and the fade speed is the data byte. C, 110000. D, 310303 slide at speed 3. 00300 continue sliding. 00502 continue sliding and fade at speed 2. See Command D later. 00502. Command 6, VIBRATOANDFADE. Combines Commands 400 and DXX. Again, the vibrato speed is the previous speed entered with Command 4, and the fade speed is the data byte. Command 7, TREMOLO. This command is a kind of volume vibrato. The first data byte digit is the tremolo speed, the second is the depth. The depth must be quite high before the effect is audible. Try F. The higher the digits value, the greater the speed/depth. Command 8, sethold/decay, set hold only. This command must be located on the same line as the note. The command sets the hold and decay values for the note. See instrument parameters. The first digit is the decay value, the second is the hold value. C 330824, decay equals 2, hold equals 4. Vertical line 30000. Vertical line 30000. 00000. Command 9, SECONDARYTEMPO, no action, sets the secondary tempo, the number of timing pulses per note. The data byte must be $1, $20. See also player commands, the F11, 1F, and MIDI commands, commands F command A, VOLUMESLIDE, MIDI, polyphonic aftertouch. This is exactly the same as command D for sound/noise/tracker compatibility. However, please use D instead of this. Command B, POSITIONJUMP. Allows you to make songs that have a beginning which is played only once and another part which is repeated continuously. The command causes a jump to the playing sequence number given by the data byte. If the data byte is 0, the song is played from the first playback entry. Note that when more than one playing sequence is defined, the specified entry in the CURRENT playing sequence is jumped to. At present, no command exists to jump to an entry in the section list. Example, 00B02, start playing from playback number 003 command C, SETVOLUME. You can override the default volume of the instrument with this important command. For example, A340C20 is played with volume 20. There are 65 volume levels, 0, 64, 0 equals silent, 64 equals maximum. The data byte may be either 00, 64 or $00, $40, decimal or hex. See song options. It is also possible to change the volume of an already played note. A340000. 00000. 00C10 change volume to 10. In addition, you may actually set the default instrument volume. The value MUSTB and HEX and is between 80 and C0. 80 equals volume $0, C0 equals volume $40, hex. In other words, add 80 to the normal volume in hex. Note that setting, default instrument volumes, can cause trouble in multi-modules since all the songs share the same set of instruments. So it is recommended that default instrument volumes are only changed in non-multi-modules. Command D, VOLUMESLIDE, MIDI, channel pressure. You can increase/decrease volume smoothly with this command. The first data byte digit is the amount of volume increase, crescendo. The second digit is the amount of decrease, decrescendo. If crescendo is 0, decrescendo is performed, otherwise, only crescendo is performed. C, 230C40. 00D01 a bit quieter. 00D01 even quieter. 00D20 and crescendo back to original volume. In this command the volume is changed every timing pulse. So if the secondary tempo was 6, a decrescendo value of 1 would decrease the volume by 6. The example above would look like this using C commands, except it doesn't sound as smooth. C, 240C40, volumes are decimal. In this example, 00C34-6. 00C28-6. 00C40 plus 12. Command E, SYNTHJUMP, MIDI, can control. This command only applies to synth/hybrid and MIDI instruments. It is used to trigger a jump in the waveform sequence. The data byte is the jump destination line number. C, 440000 should be a synth/hybrid instrument. 00000. 00E05 causes a jump to line number 5. See synth sound programming. Command F, TEMPO/MISC. Command F has many different actions depending on the data byte. If the data byte is 0, it causes an immediate jump to the next entry in the playing sequence or the beginning of the block if you are only playing the current block. This function is better to implement by making the block shorter as it takes less memory, so it mainly exists for tracker compatibility. C240F00. This is the last node of the current block. When the data byte is $1 F0, the command changes the primary tempo, the time between timing pulses. If the new tempo is 010A, it is compatible with trackers, but you should use command 9 instead of this command as it's directly tracker compatible, but make sure the primary tempo is set to the default 33. E360FF0 quickest tempo, 240.00000. 00F0B slowest, 11 decimal. Data bytes FF1 FFF are reserved for special actions, some of which are currently in use. FF1 causes the same note to be actually played twice. In this way it's possible to create fast rhythms. It's identical to command 1F03, with a secondary tempo of 6. C320FF1 is the same as C320000. C320000 with double tempo, that is, 3. FF2 plays the same note only once, but it is not started immediately. It's identical to command 1F30. Again with a secondary tempo of 6, C320FF2 is the same as 00000. C320000 with double tempo. FF3 works like FF1 except the note is played 3 times, very quick. Again with a secondary tempo of 6. C320FF3 is the same as C320000. 00000. 00000. C3200000. C3200000. C3200000 with seconds tempo equals 1. Through tests with Pry. Tempo equals 11. Is this correct? FF4 delays the note 1/3 of a line. FF5 delays the note 2/3 of a line. FF4 and FF5 can be used, for example, to create triplets. C2100000 here. The 3 notes will be evenly spaced throughout D210 FF4. The 4 lines, they'll have a length of 1 and A30, 210 FF5 lines each. 00000. They only work accurately when the secondary tempo is divisible by 3, 3, 6, 9, etc. FF8 turns the low-pass filter off. See the song options window. FF9 turns the low-pass filter on. FFD doesn't work with MIDI, causes the pitch of the channel to be set to the pitch of the new note, but the new note is not replayed. C120000 play note. 00000. C220FFD, don't replay the note, just set the pitch to C2. This is especially useful in playing long samples or samples with a loop set, like strings, choirs, etc., as the undesirable click that you can sometimes hear when playing a new note is eliminated. FFE stops playing immediately. If you want to make a song which only plays once, put this command at the end of the song. It can be easily inserted by clicking STOP with a shift key held. FFF stops the note on the current track. Is almost like C00 with Amiga samples, but while C00 sets the volume of the note to 0, FFF turns the note off completely. There is a subtle difference. See also player commands 0, 9, 11, 1F, and MIDI commands. Commands 11 1F, command 11, SLIDEPITCHUPONCE. Whereas command 1 slides the pitch smoothly, this command only changes it once per note, for greater accuracy. C23110 slightly above C2. To techies, with this command, you may play a note at any period value you wish. For example, C2 is 428. To play at period 431, simply enter C231103. Command 12, SLIDEPITCHDOWNONCE. Equivalent to command 11, except slides down. Command 14, PTCOMPATIDLEVIDRATO. Input tracker. The vibrato command was changed from noise tracker. The maximum depth was halved to give greater accuracy. This command is compatible with a new protractor vibrato. Loading protractor songs automatically changes the PT vibrato command to this command 14. Command 15, setfinetune, overrides the default finction value of the instrument. Since these are hexadecimal numbers, negative numbers must be expressed as -1 equals FF -3 equals FD -5 equals FV -7 equals F9. -2 equals Fa -4 equals FC -6 equals Fa -8 equals F8. C number 32150 finction equals +3. D 2315 F8 finction equals -8. Command 16 LOOP. This interesting command enables you to construct a loop within a block. For example, 004C 311600 data byte equals $00 mark loop. Beginning 005D number 210000. 006 11603 data byte equals $03 loop 3 times. This example would play line 004 006 3 times before continuing. You can't nest loops. Command 18 CUTNOTE no action. Almost like old Command 8, except it sets the volume to 0 instead of actually switching the note off. This is protractor compatible. Command 19 SAMPLESTARTOFFSET no action. When playing a sample, this command sets the starting byte in steps of 256 bytes equals $100 hex. Useful for speech samples. C 211904 play the sample starting at byte $400 equals 1024. Command 1A SLIDEVOLUMEUPONCE no action allows you to make slow volume slides since the volume is slowed only once per line on the first timing pulse of each line. D 211A01 a looped string, perhaps default volume 001A01, and so on. Command 1B SLIDEVOLUMEDOWNONCE no action equivalent to 1A except slides down. Command 1D JUMPTONEXTPLAYSEQENTRY. This command is like F0 except that you can specify the line number of the first line to be played. The line number is, as usual, given in HEX. 01D0A next plays a entry, start at line 10, skip line 000009, command 1E, DELAYLINE. Plays the commands of the current line the specified number of times. Doesn't replay the notes. C 210000000000. 00101 01E06. Replay the commands of this line 6 times. Command 1F NOTEDELAYNDRETRIGGER gives you accurate control over note playing. You can delay the note any number of timing pulses and initiate fast retrigger. The first data byte digit is the note delay value, the second one is the retrig value. C 211F20 delay 2 timing pulses equals pulse 0, 1. 2C, 2, 3. C 211F02 retrig every second pulse equals pulse 0C, 2, 1. 2C, 2, 3. 4C, 2. C 21FF22 delay 2 pulses THEN retrig every second pulse equals pulse 0, 1. 2C, 2, 3. 4C, 2. Command 0FF1 is equal to 1F03 and 0FF2 to 1F30. See also player commands 0, 9, F and MIDI commands, Please read the other command explanations, see player commands, before reading this. This topic is like an errandum for MIDI in that it documents the changes to the other command documentation required for MIDI use. Commands B, F, 16, 1D, 1E, and 1F all work identically with MIDI to Amiga instruments. Commands 15, 18, 19, 1A, and 1B have no effect when used with MIDI. If you are unfamiliar with any of the terms used in this topic, please consult your MIDI device's manual. Command 0, CONTROLLERVALUE. See Command 5 for a description. Command 1, PITCHVENDERUP. This command turns the pitch vendor 8 data byte steps up on each timing pulse. However, automatic slide making, unfortunately, cannot be used here, because the actual range of the pitch vendor may be different for different MIDI devices. You must find the right value by experimenting. When the new note is played, the pitch vendor is not reset automatically. To reset it, use this command with a data byte of 00. G2L01FF turn pitch vendor up very quickly 00000. 00100, then reset the pitch vendor. Command 2, PITCHVENDERDOWN. As command 1, except turns the pitch vendor down. Command 3, SETPITCHVENDER. With this command you may set the pitch vendor to an exact value instead of sliding as in commands 1 and 2. The data byte is the pitch vendor value expressed as a signed hexadecimal digit, arg. $00 equals center position. $80, 7F equals smallest value. $7 F equals largest value. C, 230000. 0037F pitch vendor to maximum value. 00300 reset. Command 4, MODULATIONWHEEL. Affects the modulation wheel of the current channel. The data byte can be 007F, 00 equals no modulation, 7F equals maximum. Values 80FF are reserved for future expansion, that is, won't work. Command 5, CONTROLLERNUMBER. This command, in conjunction with Command 0, allows you to change any MIDI controller. Command $VXCCVV, where CC equals controller number, VV equals value. First you set the number of the controller you wish to change with Command 5. Then you can select the value with Command 0. Subsequent uses of Command 0 will affect the controller previously set with Command 5. Remember that each MIDI channel has its own controller number. If you need to use a controller value of $0, you can use 00 as a data byte because command 0000 means do nothing. Instead, you need to use 80. Acceptable controller numbers and values are $00, $7F for example, assuming instrument 3 is set to MIDI channel 1, C, 230000. 00507 controller $07 equals volume, according to the MIDI standard D, 23007F set max. Volume, 7F, command $V007 $7F is sent, 00000. F, 330001 small volume, $01. 0055C, select controller $5 C, tremolo depth, G, 430080 set to 0, note, $80 equals $00. Command 8, SETHOLDONLY. Just to underline that decay cannot be used with MIDI instruments. This is because with MIDI, the volume of an already played note cannot be altered. Command A, POLYPHONICAFTERTOUCH. Changes the polyphonic aftertouch of the most recent note. The value should be 007FC 340000. 00830 aftertouch $30. Remember, X. 00000. 00800 aftertouch $00. Command C, SETVOLUME. Again, just to underline that the volume of a note cannot be changed after it has been played, as it can with Amiga samples. Command D, CHANNELPRESSURE. This command sends a channel pressure, channel aftertouch message using the channel in which the most recent note was sent. The data byte should be $00 $7 F. Command E, PANCONTROL. Controls the stereo location of the note. The data byte can be $00 $7 F left mid right. Vertical line vertical line vertical line. 003 F7 F. Command F, TEMPO/MISC. Just two additions for MIDI used. FFA sends V, hold pedal on, command. FFV sends V, hold pedal off, command. Command 10, SENDMIDIMESSAGE. Sends a MIDI message, created using the MIDI message editor. The data byte is the message number. Note that with this command the first message is number 0, so you need to subtract 1 to convert the message number from the message editor for use with this command. C211000 send the first message, then place note C2. Messages are always sent before notes. MIDI timing pulses are sent immediately even if a message dump is going on. Command 13, SETPITCHVENDERWITHNOTE. Like command 3, but can also be used when there's a note next to the command. Command 1C, CHANGEMIDITRESET.